Good morning, it's Thursday, March the 26th, and you're watching Chinese Small Cap TV here exclusively on ChinaSecurities.com every day. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. China Securities TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show, bringing you the best press releases out of the Chinese sector from the OTC in the morning so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. I've got two great press releases for you this morning, so without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a company called China Medicine Corporation. They trade on the bulletin board under the symbol CHME. The company is announcing financial results for the fourth quarter and full year ended December 31st, 2008. We've got highlights from the press release, which include revenues increased 51% to $24 million for the fourth quarter. We've also got gross profit, which increased 30% to $5.8 million for the fourth quarter. Operating income increased 24% to $4.2 million. And finally, net income increased 26% to $3.5 million for Q4. And I've also got some full year results for you. Total revenues increased 27% to $53.6 million. Gross profit increased 25% to $15.6 million. Operating income increased 30% to $11 million. And finally, net income increased 33% to $9.1 million or 60 cents per diluted share for the full year 2008. A little bit about China Medicine Corporation. They're a pharmaceutical company that discovers and develops medical formulations and distributes over 2,400 pharmaceutical products in China, including prescription and over-the-counter drugs, including traditional Chinese medicine products, herbs, and dietary supplements. Company's last is 74 cents, 52-week high of $3.05, low of 57 cents, and the market cap of approximately $11 million. Moving on to our next company, China Transinfo Technology. They trade on the NASDAQ under the symbol CTFO. The company is announcing record fourth quarter and 2000 year-end results. I've got the fourth quarter highlights for you, which include revenue, which increased 176% year over year to a record $10.7 million. Gross profit increased 160% year over year to $6.1 million. And net income increased a whopping 400% year over year to $4.1 million or 19 cents per fully diluted share. For the full year 2008, we've got highlights that include revenue, which increased 150% year over year to a record $29 million. Gross profit increased 164% year over year to $16.5 million. And finally, net income increased 150% to $11.1 million or 53 cents per diluted share. In addition, as of December 31st, 2008, the company had $16.1 million in their treasury. All around, very impressive numbers coming out of this company. A little bit about China Transinfo. They're primarily focused on providing transportation information services in the People's Republic of China. Company's last at $3.10, high of $7.40, low of $2.20, and the market cap of approximately $70 million. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for tuning in. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Please make sure to tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases coming out of the Chinese small cap sector.